Welcome back, Gadget Tech fam. Today, we're diving into the ultimate gaming setup essential that'll take your gaming or home office experience to the next level, introducing the Bestier Gaming L-Shaped Desk. This bad boy isn't just any ordinary desk, it's a powerhouse equipped with features that'll blow your mind. Let's break it down. First up, we've got not one, not two, but 4 AC outlets and 2 USB charging ports. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to seamless charging for your devices, whether it's your gaming rig, smartphone, or power bank. With a rated power of 1500 W, you'll never have to worry about running out of juice again. But wait, there's more. Check out these RGB lights underneath the monitor shelf. With 7 main colors and up to 20 dynamic modes, you can set the mood for any gaming session or work task. Talk about adding some serious flair to your setup. Now, let's talk space optimization. The L-shaped design of this desk maximizes your workspace, perfect for those tight gaming dens or home offices. And those double storage shelves. You can customize their placement to fit your needs, whether it's for files, books, or your favorite gaming gear. And check out this sleek carbon fiber texture. Not only does it elevate the desk's aesthetics, but it's also easy to clean and scratch resistant. Plus, that handy hook keeps your workspace clutter-free, whether you're hanging up your headphones or bag. Worried about assembly? Don't be. We've included all the tools you need and easy-to-follow instructions, so even if you're a novice, you'll have this desk up and running in no time. And with our 1-year warranty, you can trust that Bestier has got your back. So there you have it, folks, the Bestier Gaming L-Shaped Desk, your ticket to the ultimate gaming or home office setup. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Gadget Tech for more tech reviews and setups, and as always, stay tuned for the next episode. Happy gaming!